All right. This video is to help us log on MathGames. Just open your Google browser and type in mathgames.com. Okay. Every teacher has a copy of the login information, but the login should be fairly easy to remember. Once you get on this screen, you want to click sign in. I have already created your sign in names. Most of them are pretty simple. Your username is your first and last name, no spaces, no capital letters. So let's start with Brianna's. Brianna's is Brianallisson. Her password is her first and last initial and her grade level 07. Click login. Voila, you see as Brianna's home screen pops up. If you look right here where my mouse is, that's the work that she has to do. It ends in 7 days. If you get the work done early, you get some free play, okay? You want to be mindful of the dates. Keep in mind that each assessment is 10 questions. Do not attempt them until you are ready, because if you're not proficient, you will do it again. So just be mindful of that. After the 7 days or whenever I have placed the due date, it will not allow you to go any further. You will be able to do the skill, but it won't record the grade. So on my grade book, it'll be a 0. So just be mindful of that. If you have any questions, just let me know. Again, your username is your first and last name, all lowercase. And your password is your first initial, last initial, and your grade level. But use the number 0 before you put the 6 or 7 or 5th. All right, if you have any questions, just let me know.